Visit zenexatech.com.
Welcome to a new video on Zenexatech. In today's video, I am going to teach you how you can get free web hosting. If you are a beginner and want to launch your website and don't have money to purchase a hosting and also domain, this website is best for you. In my next video, I will tell you how you can get free domain also from this website, or I will give you multiple options. And for today's video, I am going to teach you how you can get free web hosting. You will get free web hosting with cPanel so that you can install WordPress and make your website as you want. So first of all, you have to open an internet browser and search for free domain now. You'll see this website, free domain now, free domain, free.com domain. Open this website. There will be a lots of offer. Now, if you scroll it, you will see this premium WordPress hosting for everyone. Click on this get started. You will see multiple options. You don't have to go through these paid options like business, grid. You just have to go through this pro option for 0.00 USD. There are standard performance, free website, unlimited bandwidth, storage, and many other features for free. Click on this order now. Once you click on this order now, click on this. I will use my existing domain and update my name server. I will use this domain. You can use any of the domain. Click on this use. Click on this checkout. Now we have to fill out this simple form and also fill out this all data. Create a strong password that you must remember for further uses and click on this complete order. Now our order has been confirmed. Now click on this continue to client area. Go to this service. You will see our hosting is pending. Just waiting for a couple of minutes. It can take up to 30 minutes or 1 hour to activate. So I will pause this video and later I will try, and once it active I will make a new video. So now my hosting account has been activated. Now click on this. From here, click on this login to cPanel. Our cPanel is loaded. You can see this our Zenexatech domain SSL is expired, so this is a different one. But I got my WordPress hosting with cPanel. Simply go to this WordPress manage and you can install WordPress and use a website. If you don't have any idea about how you can use this WordPress website or how you can install WordPress on your hosting, I will make separate video for this. You can simply comment on the section of this video. I hope you love this video and find out how you can get free hosting with cPanel. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for the latest update. This is all for today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Have a good day.
All new Zenexatech, your guide to the future of technology. Visit zenexatech.com.